The Sutra of Kṣitigarbha Bodhisattva's Original Vow. Chapter 2. The Division Bodies Gather. At that time, the division bodies of Earth Store Bodhisattva began gathering in the palace of the Triastrimsha heaven from billions of inexpressible, unutterable, immeasurable, ineffable, limitless asamkheyas of worlds. They came from wherever hells were found. Due to the spiritual powers of the Thus Come One, each came from his own direction and was joined by billions of nayutas of those who had obtained liberation from the force of bad karma. All came holding incense and flowers as offerings to the Buddha. Those groups that came were irreversible from Anuttara Samyak Sambodhi because they had been taught and transformed by Earth Store Bodhisattva. For long eons they had wandered in birth and death, undergoing suffering within the six paths without even temporary respite. Now they had reached levels of sagehood due to the great compassion and deep vows of Earth Store Bodhisattva. They felt joyful as they arrived at the Triastrimsha heaven and gazed at the Thus Come One, their eyes not leaving him for a moment. At that time, the World-Honored One stretched forth his golden-colored arm and rubbed the crowns of all the division bodies of Earth Store Bodhisattva, Mahasattva, gathered from billions of inexpressible, inconceivable, immeasurable, ineffable, limitless asamkheyas of worlds, and said, I teach and transform obstinate beings such as these within the evil worlds of the five turbidities, causing their minds to be regulated and subdued, so they renounce the deviant and return to the proper. But one or two of them still cling to their bad habits. For them I again divide into billions of bodies and use numerous additional expedient means. Those with keen roots will listen and immediately believe. Those with good rewards will respond to exhortation and strive to succeed. Those who are dark and dull will return only after being taught for a long time. Those whose karma is heavy fail to show any respect. My division bodies take across and liberate all those different kinds of beings. I may appear in a male body. I may appear in a female body. I may appear in the body of a god or dragon. I may appear in the body of a spirit or ghost. I may appear as a mountain, as a forest, as a stream, as a spring, as a river, as a lake, as a fountain, or as a well, in order to benefit people. I use all these ways to save beings.